Dr. Peter, I'm reaching out to discuss a change in our medication suppliers. Due to recent supply chain disruptions, we've had to adjust our sources for certain medications.
I understand, Mihira. How might this affect our patients' access to medications?
While we're working diligently to maintain consistent supplies, there might be temporary delays or changes in medication brands. It's important to communicate these changes to patients and ensure they're aware of any potential alternatives.
That's crucial. How can we minimize disruptions for our patients?
We're working closely with our new suppliers to ensure timely deliveries and maintain adequate inventory levels. We're also exploring alternative sources for medications that might be in short supply.
Are there any specific medications that might be affected by this change, Mihira?
We've identified a few medications that may experience temporary shortages. I'll provide you with a list and recommend alternative options if necessary.
Mihira, I want to start by reassuring you that the thought of having a pacemaker inserted is understandably daunting, and it's completely normal to feel a mix of emotions. Please know that you are considering a procedure with an exceptionally high success rate, one that has been performed for decades to help millions of people live fuller, more active lives with renewed energy and peace of mind. The insertion itself is a very refined process. It typically takes about 1 to 2 hours, and you will be made comfortable with sedation and local anesthesia, so you shouldn't feel any pain during the procedure itself. Your medical team will be with you every step of the way, monitoring you closely to ensure everything goes smoothly. After the procedure, as the sedation wears off, you can expect a recovery period focused on gentle healing. It's common to feel some mild discomfort, tenderness, or bruising at the small incision site on your chest. This is a normal part of the healing process, and your doctor will manage it with medication. For the first few weeks, the most important thing is to protect the area to allow the pacemaker to settle securely in place. This means avoiding any heavy lifting, vigorous exercise, or strenuous activity with the arm on the side of the pacemaker. You'll also be advised to keep that arm's movement relatively gentle, avoiding raising it high above your shoulder. This might feel restrictive temporarily, but it is a crucial and short-term precaution to ensure optimal healing. Your care team will provide you with specific, gradual exercises and a clear timeline for returning to all your normal activities, guiding you safely through each stage of your recovery back to health and vitality.